What's going on, everybody? I want to give another update here. It is roughly the middle of August. I know I've been absent, but I think I could just do one longer video to kind of show everybody my project update in the front and how my back looks. All right, I want to show everybody what the back looks like right now. I'm really happy with it. We've gotten a decent amount of rain in July, and then we have a little bit in August here, so it looks green. It does not look good from the drone shot, and I think it just needs another feeding and maybe a spray of iron, but here's what we're working with. So, I would say my only main issue would be this right here. Red stem pigweed, I think it is, or purple leaf pigweed, something like that, some version of pigweed. It is impossible to kill. I've tried a version of Q4, I've tried a version of Tenacity, I've even tried painting a form of glyphosate, a Roundup, directly onto the plant, and the plant will actually die, but the stems don't. The root system is just so strong that the plant just comes right back up. So I'm probably just going to have to let this stuff die in the winter and put down a special pre-emergent specific to this type of weed and have it not come back up. So I'll probably put some down in fall and then again a heavy application in spring. So other than that, everything seems to be looking good back here. This bocce ball court is actually holding up really well. There's a drain over here that I put in that works really well. And then this thing has gone through a solid winter and has not had any sort of damage in terms of being unlevel or having the AstroTurf pop back up, and it's held up really well, so I'm happy with it. Let's go check out the front. All right, let's look at the front now. It's been a work in progress. It's definitely been harder than I thought, that is for sure, but we are, I would say, 80% there. Over 75%, I'd like to think at least. All right, here we are. Most of it is grass. There are definitely weeds still mixed in. I just did another dose of Tenacity. 10 days prior, I did do a dose of a Q4 knockoff. I'm thinking the heavy dose of Tenacity about 4 days ago will take care of a lot of this. What's left is what's left. I'll treat it in the fall when the grass is stronger, and I could do like a quinclorac or another dose of a Q4, something like that, but I just feel a little uncomfortable doing it when the grass is so young. And I've really done a lot of herbicide on this. I've definitely tested the limits. I've done 4 applications of Tenacity at the 4-ounce rate, which is a lot. Most people would say that it's probably too much. But I had all weeds, so I really couldn't lose. So if you could see here, like, most of this is grass, and it looks really good. There's patches of weeds, and there's also patches of bareness. But with a final overseed, a heavy overseed, I really think that all of this will be filled in. Okay, so that is kind of a nutshell of where we're at. So let's do some mowing. I am really, really excited to break out this Swordman. I basically pretty much blew the whole season on this renovation. If I could go back and do it, would I do it again? Probably, because I really wanted a ryegrass lawn. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but I have baby ryegrass that I've sprayed probably too much herbicide on, and it's the same color, if not a slight tint darker already versus my neighbor's bluegrass. I just personally love the look of the ryegrass already. I know I'm going to have different issues between winter with the fungicides, the fungus and other issues that will arise, but I'll tackle those as we go. Right now, today, 3 months to the date of the renovation where I started, I'm happy with it. So let's take a look and see if it's even worth cutting with the Swordman. Hopefully it is. And then we'll just continue on. Let's go. Okay, so we clearly have some more work to do, but we are getting really close. I'm going to throw down another 25 pounds of seed over the 3,500 square feet, which is going to be plenty. And hopefully we could get there to the point where we could use the Swardman. But from first glance and trying it, it just won't work. It's a little bumpy. It probably needs a quick top dress of just topsoil. And then it's going to need just a lot more grass to really look good. So I think we're one good successful overseed away in a top dress in like September, and I think that I'm going to be really happy with it going into next year. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to post 2 or 3 videos this August, so I'm going to try to stay true to that, and we will see you in the next one.